Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and it has been a while since I last posted a video. Like, ano sa tong last gani? February, I think that was it. When we went to La Union with my workmates. For today, we're gonna do another vlog, another video. I'll be making an instant jajangmyeon. But before anything else, I have something to share with you. Ano siya? Relief goods gikan sa barangay. So akong ipakita niyo what is inside. Ha?
Food package.
Okay, food package. Parang parehas lang naman. But anyways, it's food package. Po may kapalog hantod ka no sana mo mahurot. Basta ako ipakita nyo sa akin. Let's go. Picture ako. Picture ko! So, ito na nga po guys yung ating food package. So, I'm just gonna open it. Pero joke lang, kaya mo nang ganito. Tada! Ano yung pakita? Kani ipakita? Ha? Is... instant noodles. Brand, it's the
Kapalo ka
brand.
kung sa brand. Di ka familiar sa brand.
No, I don't know the brand. Like,
Naman ng brand, Hana.
wag ganit ko kabalo. Balik ko yung cameraman, makinggan.
Di ka familiar. Ano sa mani?
Ha?
Panda.
Oh.
Ano, WL. Yung...
Bili yan.
Willy Rebellion. Di ba WL Foods Corporation? Tama?
I don't know.
Ay no, yung sa mga snack.
Basta, instant noodles
Sa mga
na
snack.
hindi mo masyado nakikita sa mga tindahan.
Instant Q-Money Chicken Flavor Noodles.
Agree if you always, I mean,
Oh.
comment down below if you...
October or my expiration.
Next is, we have carninote. Another carninote. We have mega sardines and another mega sardine. Ang bukat. Okay.
Ano? Bukas.
Oh my god, basta mo na siya. Epic fail. Pero, guys, I don't know pila ka kilo guys. Pero we're mga
Rice.
5.
I think that's 4.
Ano, basta somewhere 4.
4 or 5 kilos.
Oh my gosh! Hi guys, I'm back and I had my transformation. Namuko kay kakarong na akong buhok. I'm gonna cook the jajangmyeon already and I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I'm gonna use for it. Just a disclaimer, wala akong sinunod na recipe. Akin-akin lang to. So if you want to follow my recipe, you just feel free to do it, okay? Okay. So I'll be using, first is ito, syempre ito, the main ingredient. Wala ba ako kasulaan niya o luto using dali mga kaya akong nasulayan is katong Korean jod. I don't know kung pareha siya glami. White onion. We have here hot pepper paste. Normally wala siya, di siya butangan dapat nila, pero ako itay may experiment ko butangan ani kay I think dili halang ang ato ang noodles. So you know me, I'm a halang person. Eggs. Eggs are optional. Eggs are optional. Toppings naman po ni sa jajangmyeon. Pero mas lami if na egg. So yeah, that's it. Let's get on with it. nakita ko sa uban sa YouTube, like sila magluto kay lutuon nila usa ng noodles. Like boil the noodles, pero spaghetti ba? I-boil the noodles, then i-set aside, then so sila magamaog sauce. Sa ako, I will cook the sauce. Right after that, butangan ako siya tubig gamay. And then that's when the time I'm gonna put the noodles. That is not cooked yet. So, I have my pan right here. So, flex ko lang pala yung ano namin, butane, gas stove, Survivor. Charot. So, yun na nga. Gigisahin natin first yung sibuyas. So, first natin is we put the oil just a little bit, and then let's just wait for it to kind of like mainit siya. So, I think okay na siya. I'm gonna put the onions. it fits. My God, ano pa lang pong ginagawa ko. So you might be wondering, where's the egg? Sabi ko naman sa inyo, yung egg natin is optional. Kasi yung ginagawa natin doon, at bakit ako nagtatakalo? Kasi yung ginagawa natin sa egg, we're just gonna sunny side up fry that. Sunny side up fry. Hindi. Prituura na itong egg. Sunny side up. Then, toppings. Diba I told you? That's for only, toppings na sa atong jajangmyeon. So, I'm gonna prito the itlog. So guys, we just finished making our instant jajangmyeon and here it is! Hindi siya yung pang, restaurant look. Restaurant look, charot. So, I'm just gonna picture. Hi guys, so we're gonna have the taste test right now with our jajangmyeon. Iba siya dun sa Korean talaga na noodles. And we're gonna try eating the noodles with the egg. Yan. With the egg. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Taste.
Nasa lupa.
No.
Nasa lupa.
Yeah? About killjoy? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And if you want some more happening during this quarantine, comment down below. And thank you so much for watching once again. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and everything and all that. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.